Hello students, welcome you to the video lecture of Srimati Shantaben Haribhai Gajera English Medium School, Amreli. Today we learn class 4th General Knowledge. Topic is the folk dance of India and important irrigation projects in India. So, first one, folk dance of India. I think everyone know the folk dance of different states. Different state uses different. Some states uses folk dance. Some uses classical dance. So today we are going to learn the Indian folk dance. Indian folk dance is a simple dance and is performed to express joy and happiness among themselves. Folk dance is performed for every possible occasion to celebrate the arrival of season, birth of a child, a wedding, festival and some old social customs. The dances are extremely simple with minimum of steps or movements. The dances burst with vitality. Men and women perform some dances exclusively, while in some performance man and woman dance together. On most occasions the dancers sing themselves while being accomplished by artists on the instruments. Each form of dance has a specific custom. Most customs are extraordinary with extensive jewels, while there are numerous ancient folk and tribal dance. Many are constantly being improved. The skill and the imagination of the dance influence the performance. Different states have a different folk dance. In a picture you can see that clearly that here 12 different states name is given and given the its different folk dance. First of all, Dandiya Ras. We all know Dandiya Ras is a famous folk dance of Gujarat. Then Garba dance. Garba dance is the famous folk dance of Gujarat. The Gujarat is famous for Garba. Then next one is Lezim dance. Lezim dance is famous in Maharashtra. Lezim dance is famous in Maharashtra. And another one, Lavani, is famous in Maharashtra. Then next one is Dance of Fishermen. Dance of Fishermen is the famous in Goa. That next one is Yakshagana dance. Yakshagana dance is famous in Karnataka. It is a famous in Karnataka. Yakshagana dance form. In picture you can see that the costumes and their jewels, how they can express them themselves in different dance form. Then Ottamathulal dance is famous in Kerala. Then after Penal, Kolatam dance is famous in Tamil Nadu. Then another one is Kavdi and Kumi, that is famous folk dance of Tamil Nadu. Then after next state is Bihar. The famous dance form of Bihar is Chador dance. Then another one is Panvaria. Then Bakhu, Bakhin, that is famous folk dance of Bihar. Then after Pokal Kutharai, the famous dance form of Tamil Nadu. Then another is Kavli and Kumi, and Kolatam is a famous dance form, folk dance of Tamil Nadu. Then after Kerala, Velakali dance, the famous folk dance of Kerala, and last one Dhunuchi dance, which is famous in West Bengal. The folk dance of West Bengal is Dhunuchi dance. Now, next topic is important irrigation projects in India. In India, irrigation has always been the largest user of water. Irrigation projects mainly consist engineering structures which collect, convey and deliver water to areas on which crops are grown. Irrigation projects may range from a small farm unit to those serving extensive areas of millions of hectares. A small irrigation project may consist of a low diversion or an inexpensive pumping plants also with small ditches and some minor control structure. A large irrigation project include a large storage reservoir, a huge dam, hundreds of kilometers of canals, then branches and distributaries, control structure and other anyone that all are included in irrigation project. In slides you can see that here given a different important irrigation projects of India. Different projects which is located in different states. First one Arunachal Pradesh. Godavari Delta system, Krishna Delta system and Nagarjuna Sagar. That three important that irrigation project is located in Andhra Pradesh. Then in Bihar, the project which is located is Gandhla. Then in Punjab, Western Jamuna and Bhakra Nagar, Sutlej and Bees. That project is then next one Gujarat, Kakrapet and Tapi Narmada. Then Madhya Pradesh, Gandhi Sagar. Then next one Maharashtra, Bhima Jayakwadi in river Godavari. Kerala, Kallada Mulai Periyar. Then Karnataka, Ghataprabha and Malaprabha and Turga. In Orissa, the project name of Orissa is Hirkhand and Mahanathi. Then UP, Upar Ganga Canal and Ramaganga. Then in West Bengal, Damodar Valley. Then in Rajasthan Canal. The river is Satluj. The Tamil Nadu has three projects. Mettur Lower Bhavani project, then Prambikulam Eliyar project and Periyar Vaigai and Kauveri projects. And that different cities and city that river passes from away and which in that city is located in which state. The first one city is Gangkhed. The river passes from Gangkhed is Godavari, that is located in Maharashtra. Then next one is Agra. Yamuna is passes from Agra. State is Uttar Pradesh. Then after Ahmedabad, the river of Ahmedabad is Sabarmati, which is located at Gujarat. Allahabad, river of at the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati in Uttar Pradesh. Ayodhya, river of Ayodhya is Saryu in Uttar Pradesh. Then Badrinath, river of Badrinath is Alkanada and state Uttarakhand. Then Banki, Mahanadi in Odisha. Then Brahmapur, Rushikulya in Odisha and Chatrapur, river Rushikulya in Odisha. Then after Bhagalpur, the Gangesh, famous river Ganga, is passes from Bhagalpur in Bihar. Then Kolkata, river of Kolkata is Hooghly in West Bengal. Then Cuttack, river of Cuttack is Mahanadi in Odisha. Then Yamuna, the New Delhi, river Yamuna passes from New Delhi and in Delhi. Then Disa, river Banas passes from Disa in Gujarat. So here we are complete that our two topic, that is folk dance of India and important irrigation project of India. I think you all understand it very well. Here we are complete our two topic. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.